Every month, it's the same story. You get paid, you pay bills, buy food, top up data, and within days, your account is gasping for air. It's not because you're lazy or reckless. It's because the system was never designed for people earning just enough to survive. But here's the truth. Even if your income is low, you don't have to live in survival mode forever. Hey lovely people, welcome back to Money Lessons with Debbie. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to stop living paycheck to paycheck even on a low income. No fluff, just real practical steps you can start today. Let's break the paycheck to paycheck cycle step by step. The first step is understand where your money goes. Before anything else, you need clarity. Most people think they're bad with money, but the truth is, they just don't track it. Start by tracking every expense for 30 days, not in your head, on paper, or in a simple budgeting app. Personally, I use day-to-day expense app. It can be found on Google Play Store, or you can find any other app that works well for you. I find this easy to use though. I have been using it for about 4 years now. Mind you, this isn't sponsored. It's just what I have found that works for me. By tracking your expenses, you'll be shocked how much leaks out through tiny, harmless daily habits. Snacks, transport, subscriptions. When you track it, you can change it. Step 2. Separate needs from wants. The next thing you need to do is separate your needs from your wants. A need keeps you alive or helps you earn, like food, rent, or transport to work. A want, that's the third pair of sneakers. The fast food 3 nights a week, the streaming service you barely use. Cutting wants doesn't mean cutting joy. It means choosing long-term freedom over short-term comfort. Step 3. Build a zero-based budget. Now it's time to build a budget that actually works. Zero-based budgeting. With this method, every naira or dollar you can earn is assigned a job until your balance hits zero. Rent, assigned. Savings, assigned. Data bundle, assigned. You're not losing control, you're gaining it by telling your money exactly where to go. Step 4. Create a mini emergency fund. Next, save for what I call life's landmines. Unexpected expenses. A flat tire, sick day, a broken phone. You don't need a huge fund. Just 50,000 naira or 20,000 naira saved can stop you from going into debt. Start small. 1,000 naira a week. Keep it somewhere separate, preferably a high-yield savings account. This is your freedom fund, not your spending fund. Step 5. Increase income creatively. You can only cut so much eventually. You have to earn more. But here's the good news. You don't need to land a 6-figure job to do it. Can you tutor kids on weekends? Run errands? Be a hairstylist or barber on weekends? Sell digital skills online? Deliver food in the evenings? Whatever seems right in your context, your skills and time have value. Package them and exchange them for income. Even 5,000 naira extra per week adds up to your salary. Step 6. Automate and simplify. Automation is how you build wealth without willpower. Set up auto transfers. The moment you're paid, a portion goes into savings or to pay bills. Out of sight, out of mind. You won't miss what you never see. Step 7. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Don't wait to be rich before you feel proud. If you stuck to your budget this week, celebrate it. If you save 5,000 naira, celebrate that. These tiny wins stack up and soon the stress will fade, the freedom will grow, and the paycheck to paycheck life It will be part of your past. As we've come to the end of this video, keep in mind that escaping the paycheck cycle isn't about earning millions. It's about taking small, smart steps with what you have right now. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone, and don't forget to leave a comment. Until next time, remember, track, budget, save, invest, earn, repeat. That's the cycle you want.